Hey everyone, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I am holding a mug of tea in my hand, so you know I'm going to be talking about tea in this video. This is going to be one of my Sips by videos. As a matter of fact, you're going to see this same intro on the next 3 videos that I do for Sips by because tea boxes. If you have not seen any of my other Sips by videos, let me just do a very quick rundown. Sips by is a monthly tea subscription box. If you go to their website, you can choose from a lot of different tea options. They have so many specialty tea boxes now that you can buy 1 box of, or you can buy a 3-month, 6-month, or a 12-month gift card for great gifts to give to people that you know that are beginner tea lovers or die-hard tea lovers, or even yourself. Besides all their specialty tea boxes, they have their monthly tea subscription box. Just like a lot of other subscription boxes, except this one is about teas. You fill out a very in-depth quiz with the company. They really determine what your tea preferences are, and then every month they send you a personalized tea box. The monthly subscription runs $15 per month. It's free shipping in the United States. However, the next couple of videos are on their specialty tea boxes. These are special boxes for birthdays, for helping to improve your mood, for helping to improve your sleep. I'm going to show you the box that we're going to be talking about today. I'm going to actually unbox it for you, and then I'm going to steep one of the teas out of the box on my video. This is a little different box than you would normally get with Sips by. This is special. There is pink on the box, so maybe you can guess what this box is for. Normally Sips by sends you their teas in this nice compact cardboard box that says Sips by on it. But today the box is special. It's pink for the Susan G. Komen organization. This box is the Breast Cancer Awareness Tea Box, and what it says inside is, we hope this box of calming teas can bring you comfort. As you sip them, we invite you to join us in sending love and support, in celebrating survivors, remembering with love those lost, to those battling right now, and looking to the future for a cure. And thank you for helping us with that goal, because $1 from every box sold is donated to the Susan G. Komen organization, which is great. So lots of teas for a good cause. Every time you get a box from Sips by, there will be an informational card in there letting you know what type of box it is. Like I said before, this is the Breast Cancer Awareness Tea Box, and then when you flip it over, it will tell you all the teas that are in your box. So it looks like I have some Pinkalicious Oolong Tea from the Tea Can Company. It also tells you how to steep the tea. It tells you the caffeine level. It tells you the ingredients. And a lot of the times, Sips by will include discount or coupon codes. That way, if you really love the tea, you can purchase it yourself at a discount. I also have in here some strawberries and cream tea from Oteas that has hibiscus, rose hip peels, apple, orange peel, and some strawberry pieces. I have a Hope Teamotions tea that contains organic peppermint, organic spearmint, organic rooibos, organic chicory, organic white chocolate curls. Oh, that sounds yummy. Organic holy basil, organic St. John's worts, and organic rose petals. And that's one of my caffeine-free teas. And finally, I have a package of the Jasmine green tea from Heavenly Tea Leaves, and that's my low caffeine tea. So this Breast Cancer Awareness Tea Box can be purchased as a $15 box, or you can buy a 3-month, 6-month, or a 12-month Sips by gift card. And remember, $1 from every box sold will be donated to the Susan G. Komen organization. So let's look inside the box. The first thing I see in my box are some of Sips by's reusable muslin cloth tea bags. That tells me I have some loose tea in the box. It's great that they include these tea bags, especially if you give this as a gift. Okay, the first thing that is catching my eye is this beautiful canister inside the box. This is the Pinkalicious Oolong Tea by the Tea Can Company. Next is the Strawberries and Cream Tea from Oteas. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. I have a large packet of Teamotions Have a Hope tea. This has organic peppermint, spearmint, rooibos, chicory, organic white chocolate curls, organic holy basil, organic St. John's wort, organic oat straw, and organic rose petals. And then finally, I have a large packet of the Jasmine green tea by Heavenly Leaf Teas. So that is my beautiful box for a beautiful cause. This is going to be tough, maybe not tough. I think I have to pick what's in this canister. I want to crack it open. I want to see what's inside, and I'm sure you do too. So let's steep the tea inside here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing this breast cancer awareness tea box from Sip Spy. $1 from every box sold will be donated to the Susan G. Komen organization. You can find this box on the Sip Spy website, and I will leave a link to it down in my description box. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.